Part 5, Chapter 2, Al-Qiyah, Adam, the fall, Adam, with the dash. وَإِذْ قُلْنَا لِلْمَلَائِكَةِ اسْجُدُوا لِآدَمَ فَسَجَدُوا إِلَّا إِبْلِيسَ أَبَى فَقُلْنَا يَا آدَمُ إِنَّ هَذَا عَدُوٌّ لَكَ وَلِزَوْجِكَ فَلَا يُخْرِجَنَّكُمَا مِنْ الجنات فتشقى إن لك لتجوع فيها ولا تعرى وأنك لا تظمأ فيها ولا تنهى فوسوس إليه الشيطان قال يا آدم هل أدلك على شجرة الخلد وملك لا يبلى فأكل منها فبدت لهما سواتهما وطفقا يقصفان عليهما من ورق الجنة وعصى آدم ربه فغوى ثم اجتباه ربه فتاب عليه وهدى. Surah 28, 116 to 122. When we said to the angels, by the angels they mean the Malaika, the light beings, bow, exactly prostrate yourself, but this translation being contrary to the Muslim principle, according to which one may only prostrate oneself before God, must be barred. Well, no, because it wasn't in that context, and we find in previous nations it wasn't in that context of, oh, you're calling something to God by that. And God decides the prostration direction and all that. So, again, it's in service of God. Before Adam, they bowed, save Satan who refused. We said, O Adam, this is a foe to thee, and to thy wife. Never let him drive you forth from paradise. Evil would befall thee. Thou hadst never to fear hunger there, nor nakedness, nor thirst, nor heat. Satan then tempted him. He said to him, O Adam, shall I show thee the tree of immortality and an imperishable kingdom? They ate of the fruit, Adam and Eve. Hawa would be Eve of the tree. That tree. Their nakedness was revealed to them, and they began to cover themselves with some leaves of the garden. So they didn't notice that it was a thing before that, apparently. Thus did Adam disobey his Lord and go astray. Afterwards his Lord called him back, forgave him, and set him on the right path.